Thanks for watching the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So right now I am in Mandeville, Manchester. I am at the Knoxford Express Mandeville depot. So just take a view. Yeah man, a lot of persons only hear about the Knoxford Bus Express in Mandeville, don't know the area. So this is the area, guys. So if you want a bus service in Mandeville, you come on to Caledonia Road. Yeah man, and you can book on a ticket for taking you to different areas. If you want to go to the airport or any other parish, you can book your ticket in this area at the Knoxford Express bus park. Very nice service, guys. So you all can check it out. So that is the bus service area, and also it have a nice restaurant there. So you all can check it out, guys, when you want to come to Mandeville and leave from there, go to another area. So guys, you all can leave in the comment section where you're watching from and tell me what you think about this area in Mandeville. So when you come to Mandeville, also if you want to get your new and used car, you can come on to Caledonia Road. There's a car mart there right in front of Bonito Crescent area. That's the Confidence Avenue Street. So I'm very close to Burger King. Yeah man, just like up the video, guys. Like it up free of cost. So I'm in the Mandeville area, guys. very close to Burger King, coming up on your right. So right over there you have the Burger King, and also across from Burger King you have the Elite Mall. And also you have KFC, so I'm gonna make a left turn to take you on to Mandeville Shopping Center, guys. So look at Mandeville Shopping Center from a different angle with Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. One love, one heart, my beautiful people. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. So you know, an Elite on the Manchester Shopping Center, you have, that's where you have the Payless Shopping Center, also Fontana Pharmacy. So guys, I'm gonna keep left. So guys, I'm still on Caledonia Road. So off Caledonia Road, straight ahead will take you all to Brumella Road. So this is where you see a lot of car marts in Mandeville and Caledonia Road. So you need to check out them places here in Mandeville if you want to buy a new or used car same way. But for me, I'd rather to go to the Bojay Car Mart in Hatfield, Wagon Wheel area, guys. Very reasonable if you want a new car there. Very reasonable. So you need to go to the Bojay Car Mart in the Hatfield area. Yeah man, Wagon Wheel. Very, very nice customer service there. So you need to go to Bojay Car Mart. I know a lot of car mart in Mandeville, but just take it from Fire Reid. Go to the Bojay Car Mart if you want your new imported car. Very, very nice customer service there. And this is the road you also find the Mandeville Regional Hospital, guys. Right across from the Caledonia Plaza. Yeah, as I know, I do a lot of videos in the Mandeville area, but as I said, you would see Mandeville from a very different angle, because you know you have many different routes to take it to some different areas. So you will see me come back with some other videos about in Mandeville, Manchester, but this is how you're gonna know about Jamaica, guys. You can come from many different angles and see many different things. So I'm gonna make a left turn, guys. We'll take you on to South Race Course Road. So we're on the South Race Course Road, and on South Race Course Road you would find the Ministry of Education, also the passport office right across from in the street from Ministry of Education. Also you have the post office, also the health care center, also the tax office, also the Mandeville Fire Department. And also you have the Master Mac. So you can come there and do your supermarket shopping in the Master Mac area, guys. So what you think about Mandeville? Just leave it in the comments again, guys. So I'm gonna take it on the one way. We'll take us up in the town area. Big up yourself, squaddy. So I'm very close to the credit union in Mandeville, Manchester, also close to the Manchester family courthouse, guys. No, so back in the days, the courthouse did burn down, but destroyed by fire. Big up to all the firefighters who put out that massive blaze at the courthouse in Mandeville. I heard that the firefighters do some awesome jobs. Big up on yourself, all the firefighters in Jamaica, and big up on yourself anywhere you're watching from. Big up on yourself, and thank you all for tuning the channel with Fire Reid. And look at beautiful Mandeville, Manchester, guys. What you think about our beautiful island? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you hear the people in them when I say, oh, you're so nice, oh, you're so nice. Yeah, man, this is Jamaica Island. Yeah, man, like we have some traffic in the morning, yeah. So guys, no matter what in life you do, you never give up. Yeah, man, I saw them driving in Jamaica, you know. That's how the taxi guys them drive. You have to be careful of the taxi driver. Them drive very, very rough and dangerous on the road. So guys, when you're driving the taxi guys them on the road, just tell them something, take your time, your life value a lot. Cause taxi guys them just want to always haste, trying to make the dollar when somebody's life is at risk. That's not good, guys. That is not good for our people. So I just want to show on the road alone, guys. So yeah, man, I give you from a different angle, you know. This is where you see them some different types of building, the structure of the building them, and also different areas them, you know. Not only the road view alone, you know. So this will not be that angle all the time, but in some areas. So I know you want to come to Jamaica for your vacation, guys. So if you come to Mandeville, Manchester, eventually you know Fire Reid show you the way how to get around. At least you have an idea how the place set up. You see the streets, them how them look. Decide not to go on that street. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about when you're ready to come to Jamaica. Yeah. So I'm heading towards the Perth Road area, guys, and this is where you have the NCB Bank, National Commercial Bank in Jamaica, in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So I'm gonna make a right turn. I'm gonna make a left turn now, guys. We'll take you over to the Mega Mart in Mandeville. So I'm in the Mega Mart area. So I think this is one of the biggest supermarkets in Mandeville. I know you all supposed to heard about the Mega Mart in different parishes. So this is the one in Mandeville, guys. And also in the Mega Mart you have a food court. So when you come to the supermarket, if you feel hungry, you can get your food right in the supermarket. And also you have the Sagicor Bank and Sagicor Investment in this area. So this is just a one-stop if you come into the Sagicor Bank and you want to come do some shopping. So just want to thank you all for watching the channel, and always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, one love, one heart, peace and out, guys. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you all.